Oh, he's been. Oh, to Steve. Love from Steve. Oh, I wonder what it is. It's. Oh. Merry Christmas to me. What a wonderful gift, Steve. Thanks, Steve. So this is the Christmas edition of the Big Mouth Billy Bass Sings for the Holidays. So basically it's the same as the one that I repaired a few months back, but it's got a Christmas hat on and a little jingly bell thing here, and it sings Jingle Bells and Up on a Housetop, which, I've got to be honest, I've never heard of. This was from eBay. It was sold as faulty. I'll just pop the listing up on the screen. Now, if I remember rightly, the problem with this is that the motion-activated sensor on the front doesn't work. So in other words, when you walk past it, it's supposed to start singing at you and irritating you. But it's not doing that. And also, his head's not moving. So I don't know whether he's not moving his mouth, or I think he's supposed to sort of turn and face you and start singing like he did. Yeah, there you go. Like that. So I don't fully know what the problem is, but let's get it out of its box and have a look. Nice. Well, it looks pretty cool. I like it. Let's get some batteries in and let's see what it's doing. Here we go. Oh! Brilliant. I'm probably going to cut most of that out because I don't want you to get annoyed. Oh, but it's working! Right, what I was saying is I'm going to cut out the songs at this point because they're going to really annoy you, and I'm going to play them at the end. But I haven't actually pressed the button yet, and it's played both the songs. So to me, the motion-activated part is working. I need to do this without trying to set it off again now. Wow. Right, shouldn't do it now. I've switched it to the off position. It should only come on when I press that button. But to me, that sensor's obviously working. What it's not doing is it's not turning its head. It's moving its mouth, it's flapping its tail, but it's not moving its head. So we do have something wrong with it, which is good. So let's crack it open and let's have a look. Oh, this looks familiar. So I'm guessing we have to get into this part here, which will be where the gears are, I assume, and that's probably what we're looking at. I don't imagine it's a wiring issue. I think it's probably a mechanical issue inside here. Now, I didn't have to take these off on my previous one. It was a problem on the circuit board, which I fixed. Let's try. Let's see what happens when we undo these. Oh, okay. And the motor slides out there. Right, so there's a gear there. I can't tell. It might be a little bit split there. There we go. I'm gonna get that under the microscope and have a proper look at it. Right, so there we go. It's under the microscope now. Doesn't look like it's got any cracks around there. Let's have a look at the top view. I don't know, that looks okay to me. Oh, hang on. Is that a crack? Yes. Yeah, it's cracked, isn't it? Yeah, it's definitely cracked. Okay, I'm guessing that's the problem. I actually have got a bag of gears that I bought off eBay ages ago. I'm hoping I might find something similar inside this. In fact, looks like there might be one right there. Let's have a look. I don't know whether it's going to have the same amount of teeth on it. Alright, there it is. Oh, would you look at that? That looks pretty good to me. It's the same height and everything. Go away. Right, how many teeth has it got? So this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh dear. Oh. Oops. See if I've got any others. I've got another one here. No, diameter of the hole is too small on that one. Okay, I've got another one here. Don't know about that one. The hole diameter looks right, but let's count the teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, I've got another one there. No, hole too small. Do you know what? I don't think I've got one that's going to be exactly the same. Would having an extra tooth make a difference? I suppose I can always order one. I might try it. I might just pop it in, see what it does with that one in. Might explode. I think the hole in the middle is slightly too small. Yeah, it's not going on that. I'm going to have to drill that out. Right, I think it's a 2mm drill bit. That seems to fit nicely in the correct gear. And it doesn't fit into the replacement, so let's try and do this very carefully. Okay, hopefully that's not too big now. Let's try it. Nice. Nice, that's perfect. Right, I'm not sure whether it will work because it's got the extra tooth, but let's pop it back in and let's try it. Yes! Wow, excellent. Right, so obviously that extra tooth doesn't make that much of a difference, and it's now working. So I'm just gonna put some grease on that gear because it was bone dry, and then pop this back together. Awesome. Just gonna use a bit of silicone grease. There we go. Right, let's pop this back together now. Okay, so there he is, all back together. And this is the gear that I have replaced. The moment you've all been waiting for. Here it is. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you on the next one. Ho, ho, ho.